to part 2 of the Japan series. This time we are taking you to Kyoto. We were blessed with amazing sunny weather when we were there, so expect many shots of temples, flowers, and the gorgeous spring sunlight.
This time no smoke to cleanse ourselves to go into the temple. This time it's water. It's in the afternoon. Shitload of people. Just close to the mountaintop, and people are striking out. And then only the tough ones are left. Survival of the fittest. Crazy hike for us. Sweaty, experienced hikers.
That evening we went to Ippudo for ramen. After, I had the best night's sleep of my entire gap year. The weighted blanket that this hostel offered was insanely good.
Plasma screen. Michael's got plasma screen. It's all bright. The room. Can you even see it from there?
No.
Not sure.
No. The first time I also have a boat like, oh, okay, it's way harder than I expected. Good night. The next morning, we woke up at 6 a.m. to be one of the first at the bamboo forest. We were warned that later it would get extremely busy and that there would be more people than bamboo. After the bamboo forest, we took public transportation to the Golden Pavilion. As we were not used to waking up so early, we took a small nap in the Kyoto Botanical Garden. The next day in Nara, we tried strawberry dafuku and visited the famous deer park and temple.
Okay, let's try that sucker.
You already had a bit of that strawberry. Leave some strawberry for me.
I will.
And? Is it good?
Really good combination. Love it. Love it.
It felt strange and special to be so close to the stunning deers who are normally so shy. I'm quite scared of animals mostly, so enjoy a shot of me confronting my fear of feeding the deer.
Cheers.
It's not so lekker. That was okay so that yesterday. There's a weird flavor over the... I washed it even,
It's a real good one.
No, but there's a weird flavor on the... Lick it. You will taste it. You want to rest?
This is what it needs to look like.
Oh my god.
Chicken. Like,
I never do that. I only leave it
what
like
is
this.
it? Hold it, hold it in the frame. Okay, give it to me then.
You know what I love always? When you smile, when I say something, and you smile happy, or then you smile with the thing here, and then I see you smiling, and it makes me so happy that you're happy. It's my favorite smile.
It's a way of showing that you smile even behind the mask. Under a mask.
By your wrinkles.
When you wear the mask and you smile, you don't see this part, but you still see this.
The wrinkles.
Yeah. You still see the smile wrinkles.
I don't have those.
They're coming.
No.
They do. I see them now.
Yeah, but they're not so as per you.
Maybe they're stronger, my love.
No, why would you say that? You cannot smile anymore. I just have to have bitch face all day.
Yeah.
You look so cute when you're happy. Your ears are cute. No,
Original.
it's not original.
Here, my love.
Okay then.
Some even eat the whole thing. Huh?
I know that's weird. They're weird.
Yeah.
So what do you do? Do you eat the whole thing? Or do you?
No.
Thank you for watching this video diary. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit more of the beauty of Japan. For the last Japan video, we will see you in Osaka.